Meet me on the east side, in the city with the sun on set. And every day you know that we ride through the
What's up guys, it's Kelly. So for this week's video, I'm going to be filming an unboxing and setting up video of the Nutrichef food vacuum sealer, this right here. I know it's not a regular 3 video, but this should, if everything works out, it should work. So I can get a plastic bag, put filament into it and seal it up to keep the filament fresh, which is part of making filament. So here is the box. It's Nutrichef convenient kitchen style vacuum suction. It's in food temp, high power suction brand, and that's what it looks like. So there's no tape on the outside. Taking the 2 tabs out. And up. Standard promotional stuff, don't need. That's if we got rubber plastic to go with it for free, I guess. But I'm gonna try the other stuff out first that I have. Not sure what that is, but it's probably something to do with vacuum seal. Instructions, more bags. Okay, so now we take the main, vacuum seal. Take the main part out. Got some styrofoam. Plastic bag. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna attempt to plug in and I guess see if it seals. So plugging in, these 2 lights come on, normal and dry. Instructions are not too bad. I'll print instruction, put the opening of the bag in the vacuum chamber. So the bag does not cover the vacuum nozzle. What I'm guessing is this piece. Press the cover down, click sound to indicate the lock and hook structure. Then the next step is the vacuum or seal process. So this is the bag I'm going to try it in. I'm going to unseal it. And let's see if it works. Oh, looking like it may be too big. I'm gonna try to mess with it 15 minutes. So the rock was tough to get down anyways without it being in there. So it's had to push a little harder. So in circumstances I had 2 options. I could seal or vacuum seal. So I'm gonna try the vacuum first. So you can see it sealed the bag pretty good, but this is not vacuumed. So what I'm gonna try to do now is cut the top off and seal it like that. So now I'm gonna have some opening right here, so I'm gonna stick it back in there to see if it seals it tighter. And yeah. like it's kind of working. So you can see it's getting a little tighter now. Just maybe fill up. Some bits of time lapse, and it's taking a little bit longer, but as soon as okay, so far I'm impressed with it. It takes a little longer to seal than I thought it would, but it looks like it's doing a pretty good job on a normal store brand Ziploc bag. Just gotta cut the top zipper piece off, and the seal's looking pretty good. It's getting very tight. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a good buy. So it's just finished. Feels pretty tight on the seal, given the plastic that's in. So I'm gonna pop the top open. Up. No plastic on the top. Here's this piece. Take it out. But it did not seal it like it did last time. So I'm gonna do it again, vacuum seal it, and then hit the seal button and see if that works. So right now I'm having a hard time getting it to seal properly. The first or second time I got it to go good, but it seems like it's not sealing the bag all the way. So I'm gonna be trying to see if I can figure out what's wrong with it, or if I'm doing it wrong. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it with one of the bags they sent with it, but I can't fit the spool in this bag. It means it's trying to film it like slipping master filament, a master spool. Which is basically a roll of filament without the spool on it. It can just slip onto a master spool. But I'm gonna try this, see if it works. And it has worked. See if the seal is good. Seal is good. And it worked. So I guess I can either slip master filament refills with this, or buy a bigger, more durable bag, I guess, just slip regular spools in. So that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you want to seal filament with a food sealer, it is possible, but you just gotta make sure the bag's durable enough to be sealed. So I think right now the supermarket retailer type bags you can buy for like low price is a hit or miss, but the ones you can buy it's like specifically made for that will probably work. Just find the right size bag. But if you have any tips or suggestions to try with this, leave a comment down below. But if you like this video or want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.